Today come up with another video showing how to unlock an iPhone using the RSIM with a new ICCID code. As you can see, this iPhone is on iOS 10.3.3, and we will try to unlock it. So of course you're gonna have to put in the SIM card of your choice with the RSIM, both of them inside the phone. Just make sure you get the real RSIM. Some of them has the validation code that you can verify online, just to make sure it's the real RSIM. A lot of people are selling fake ones, unfortunately, but the real one has a print on it showing what version is the RSIM. The latest ones that are actually working needs to be version 9.6. I'm sorry, 9.6 point something .x. Anything lower than that might not work, so it has to be a higher version. Right now I'm testing with an at&t SIM card that is not active. It doesn't need to be active. You can just find any SIM card, sitting around, and give it a try just to unlock the device, and then you can use your own active SIM card. As you can see, it would take us to the activation screen, which is good. So just hit the dismiss button and click on your home button till you get into the emergency call, and just dial the code that will be provided, which is star 5005. Oops, sorry. 5 star 7672 star 0 pound, and dial, and we'll come up with this menu, and click on edit ICCID and pour in the ICCID code that will be provided into the description. Just as a note, these codes will not last very long, as Apple or whoever in charge will block them. So the code might work for a couple days, might work for a week. It just depends really. But every time I have an update, I will post and update the comments or the description area with the new codes. So after you put in the code, make sure to turn off the phone and turn it back on, and it will take you to the activation screen again, which is fine, and just wait for it to activate. And right there, we're into the phone, which means the phone is unlocked. I mean, it does say no service on top because the SIM card is not active. As you can see, to the about section right there where it says carrier at&t, and I'm gonna go ahead and try a different SIM card, which is a T-Mobile SIM card, just to show you that it is in fact working with full service. That is the T-Mobile SIM card. Sorry, for some reason the phone is not zooming pretty good. I don't know why. Yeah, that's the T-Mobile SIM card right there. The RSIM SIM card needs to be in the phone at all time. Once you remove the RSIM, the phone will go back into whatever carrier it was before. So don't remove it, just leave it in there. Okay, as you can see, there's T-Mobile right away. Picked it up. And yeah, should pop up on top right there, T-Mobile. And voila. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, ask any question you might have, and till the next video. Have a good one.